If you need to cancel a pending transaction on Xbox, follow these steps to ensure the process is completed smoothly. Step 1. Open the Xbox app. Launch the Xbox app on your console or mobile device. Make sure you are logged into the account associated with the transaction you want to cancel. Step 2. Navigate to the transaction section. In the app, go to the account or profile section. Look for an option labeled Transactions or Purchase History to view your recent transactions. Step 3. Locate the pending transaction. Scroll through your transaction history to find the pending transaction you wish to cancel. It should be marked as pending or in progress. Step 4. Select the transaction. Click or tap on the pending transaction to open its details. This will provide you with more information about the transaction and options available. Step 5. Cancel the transaction. Look for a cancel option or button within the transaction details. Follow the prompts to confirm the cancellation of the pending transaction. Once you have completed these steps, you should receive a confirmation that the transaction has been cancelled. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Xbox support for further assistance.